My name is Andrew Stone. I started working for Unifi in March of 2021. On a typical day, we handle the below wing functions. So when the aircraft is in the gate, we offload and onload bags, we take care of the water and the lavatory service, and also take care of cleaning the interior of the aircraft. We also bring the aircraft into the gates and push them back out and make sure that all that happens safely and on time. One of our core values is passion, and one of the things that I love about this job is that this gives me an outlet for that passion. I show up to work every day and take pride in what we do. I really enjoy working alongside a team of people that are really dedicated to making that happen no matter what. For me personally, Unifi has given me an opportunity to really advance myself. There's people above me in the organization I feel really believe in me and I think are genuinely invested in seeing myself grow as a person and also grow in my career. We're all part of the team, and Unifi begins with you.